A cop pulls you over tonight. The lights hit your mirror. Your heart races. What you say in the next 60 seconds could cost you thousands of dollars, or your freedom. Most people panic. They talk too much. They accidentally confess. And they waive rights they didn't even know they had. That ends today. Here's exactly what you'll know by the end of this video. Your right to stay completely silent. Why admitting anything destroys your case. When police can and cannot search your car. And the exact words to say at every stop. This is your legal edge. The Fifth Amendment gives you the right to stay silent. That means you cannot be forced to testify against yourself. But here's what trips people up. You have to actually use it. Staying quiet isn't enough. The Supreme Court said so in a case called Salinas v. Texas. You need to say these exact words. I am choosing to remain silent. That activates your protection. Without it, courts have ruled your silence can be used against you. Say the words, every single time. Now here's phrase number 1 that destroys people. I only had 2 drinks. Officers hear this every night, and they know it's almost never true. But that's not the problem. The problem is you just confessed to drinking. Even 2 drinks can put you over the limit. You just gave them a reason to investigate further. That can build toward probable cause to arrest you. Say nothing about what you drank, nothing about where you're coming from, nothing about your night. Just these words. I'm choosing to remain silent. Phrase number 2. Sure, you can search my car. This one makes me want to scream. The Fourth Amendment protects you from unreasonable searches. But for cars, police don't always need a warrant. They can search with probable cause, your consent, or other exceptions. That's why your consent matters so much. And guess what most people do? They give permission. They think it looks cooperative, it looks guilty, and it waives your rights completely. Even if you have nothing to hide, even if your car is spotless. Never consent. Say these exact words. I do not consent to a search. They might search anyway. That's fine. Let them. But you said no on the record. That matters in court. Phrase number 3. I know my rights. This sounds tough. It feels empowering. But it backfires every time. Here's why. It puts the officer on defense. It escalates the situation. And it doesn't actually protect you. Knowing your rights means nothing if you don't use them correctly. Don't announce, just act. Stay calm. Give your license and registration. Then say nothing else. Phrase number 4. Let me explain what happened. This is the confession trap. People think if they just explain, the officer will understand. The officer will let them go. That's not how it works. Everything you say is being recorded. Everything can be used against you. There is no off the record. There is no friendly chat. Explaining is confessing with extra steps. Don't do it. Phrase number 5. I'm sorry. 2 words. Massive consequences. An apology can be used as evidence against you. I'm sorry I was speeding. I'm sorry I didn't see the sign. I'm sorry I ran that light. Those words can be treated as a confession. On camera. To a trained witness. Keep the apology for your family, not for the officer writing your ticket. So what do you actually say? Here's your script. Hand over your license, registration, and insurance. Then say this. I'm choosing to remain silent. I do not consent to any searches. Am I being detained or am I free to go? If they say you're free to go, leave, calmly. If they say you're detained, say this, I want to speak with a lawyer. Then stop talking, completely. These 4 sentences protect you better than any excuse, better than any explanation, better than any apology ever could. Let's recap your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You must say you're using it. You have the right to refuse searches. You must say you don't consent. You have the right to a lawyer. You must ask for one. The police count on you not knowing this. They count on you being nervous. They count on you talking yourself into trouble. Not anymore. This is not legal advice, but it is legal knowledge, and knowledge is power. Subscribe, because knowing your rights starts here.